All right, good morning, everyone. Jen's at the market right now. I've got to the house. It's window day. All right, take this thing to the trash. Why are you wearing a sun hat inside?
It's a permanent fixture.
You okay with that?
I got it.
All right. The bars are off.
Poubelle, right? Poubelle.
Poubelle.
What might you be doing?
I forgot that I have to move these window shutters because now we just decided last night that we're going to put stone on the outside of the house back here. So that means that this shutter will not open and close if I have the
So we have to take these
stone
out.
on. So I'm taking these out. All right before the windows go in.
Yeah, seconds before the windows are going in.
Okay, first window's going in.
Easy.
Perfect.
Là, celui-ci tire en droit, et celui-ci tire en gauche.
All right, we need some help with this. If anybody has any ideas how to remove residue glue from antique tiles, please chime in, because the window installers did not properly clean this. They left some silicone glue. Noah saw it, tried to get it off, but these antique tiles are very porous and they're stained now. Needless to say, I'm very upset about this. Anyone knows how to clean this or get it off, please let me know.
The windows are in.
Let's go say. All right, so we just picked up our tiles. Those are gonna go on the windowsill, but Jenny changed her mind. We're gonna make it work. Almost,
Ah ouais, mais pas trop. Hein. Là, vas-y, voir. Où est-ce qu'on arrive?
wait.
Ouais, promis, faut pas plus longtemps.
I think this is what we're going to end up doing for the windowsill on the outside. We'll put these old tiles, the same as what we have inside, a little overhang on the concrete. What do you think of that?
I love it. I think it looks great. Yep. Our problem over here is the windowsill is, this was a much bigger windowsill because the wall was thicker on this side. So the overall dimension is bigger. And we were fighting where to put this, but we landed right on the edge. So we'll fill this with concrete. We'll bring these right up to the edge, right to there,
Good.
right
good,
underneath,
good.
right
Perfect.
like that, and we'll still have an overhang.
This is, I still, look at this. Have you ever seen anything uglier than that? Is this necessary? Is this necessary?
It's obligatoire.
Obligatoire. It'll be so nice once these windows are all done and we have an actual house.
Well, we just took this column down because we were fixing it, and we just found out that underneath everything was the original stone. And I really like that, so I think we'll do that covering on that side and on this side when we finish up. That'll look really cool. So after much deliberation, they covered up the stone that was there, and I got very worried. I said, wait, we need to put steel. They said, no, this is just a glue that's going to go onto the stone. Now, when they come back tomorrow, they're going to drill all the holes. They're going to put the steel rod in, and then they bought this steel, this meshing that will go over top, and then they'll put these stones, these concrete blocks. They'll go inside and fill it, and then they'll put a face on, and then they'll pour the concrete from the top.
It's a little different from Gregory's first attempt.
The splasher, the mad splasher, yes, but it'll get done. Just got some outstanding news. The company we bought that Bacadouche from in Jen's bathroom,
The shower floor.
they admitted their fault. They said they were wrong, and they credited us 700 euros.
That's right.
It's our first win in this whole operation. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. We're
Viva
gonna
la
go
France.
celebrate tonight with a $500 dinner, I think. Oh my God. Well, thank God that worked out. I did not see that one coming. Unfortunately, the windows behind me won't be installed probably for another month because we're missing parts.
Yeah.
This company's dead to me. I would burn the company to the ground, but I don't want to waste the match.
On that note.
All right, let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep, deep breath because Jenny is not happy.
Do not ever, ever, ever.
Move to France.
Don't say that. I love it here. I love France. Don't ever get your windows from La Paire. Don't buy anything from La Paire.
We got the windows in. Now I'm gonna cover all the windows with plywood so that we can take off the windowsill.
Well, let's backtrack. We don't have all the windows in because
Well, we don't have
there
all
was a
of them.
mix-up or a mess-up,
We have a lot of them.
and we don't have our windows. And this one has gold grills. What are you, French? No protection?
I got ear protection.
Ear protection. So one of our masons, because the French don't like any protection while they're working, our
That's why
mason...
there's so many children in France.
Why so many children? The mason said to us, I had to bring my girlfriend to work today because one eye is blind and my other eye got a piece of metal in it. Well, maybe wear some
Maybe
goggles.
that's why our house is like this.
Well, the masons are back, and now they are taking off the 8 centimeter concrete sill that I had them put on because after seeing it in place, I don't like it. So we're going to go in a completely different direction and put tiles on there. So they are chiseling all of that off. Impromptu lunch.
Oh la la. Jenny's calling me. What's going on? What are you doing?
It's my version of gardening.
Why are you ripping out the things?
I didn't mean to. I literally just went to pick it up and the whole thing just came apart.
Oh.
I think it's dead.
Is that one over there dead too? Let me see. Give a pull on that.
No, because... No, look. This it's all those flowers. All those flowers.
Okay. All right.
But, May, you look at this beautiful thing here. You see this? Look at this. See this?
Yeah.
I was weeding. And you know what these are? Shh. Look around the corner. Look at those beautiful flowers on the left.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice work. You know what those are? Those are wow. Those are orchids.
No, they say those are
Looks like an orchid right
call them
there.
like sweet peas.
Wow,
Or
looks like an
Pharaoh's
orchid.
peas. Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Nice job, killer. Okay, they're working on the electric. Got lights in here, testing everything out. It's looking good, looking good. Gregory, let's see it. Oh yeah, nice. Now, how about when we put these in, we bend? No? Like leave long and then, so more steel? No?
No.
No?
I put like that.
Ah, d'accord.
Yeah, like that. Ça jusqu'en haut.
Okay.
And after, I put that.
Super.
Recourber sur les côtés.
Super.
Et puis après, je fais les angles, le milieu. Je colle le mergalto dessus.
Parfait.
Ouais, c'est bien.
Love it. All right, the next phase is going here. So we're taking these off. We've cut through here, and take it off. And that one will be next. that little tarp we had wasn't working too well. It was poor quality and just was too small. So I went and got a really nice one. We're gonna install that underneath here, get rid of this green tarp and make this look really nice for Jenny where she does her work. So let's get to it. Well, the camera got too hot and shut down on me while I was working, but here's what I came up with. It looks nice. I gotta cut that zip tie in the middle, but I went around the seam and made it really nice. I think that's perfect. Perfect coverage now until our top grows over in the next year or two. But this way I don't have to worry about the bamboo rotting, and we have some cover when we have friends over to eat. I think it looks good, and that's what we're going with. Someone told us about this store that they have a couch that we might like.
Not just couch, but the best linen.
Oh,
and
linen.
I'm looking for a beautiful French country linen couch.
All right, let's go look. Let's go see what they have. What'd you find?
My linen sofa and lots of sweet linen. I love this color.
What's that color called?
White.
No, it's got a name.
Sweet.
Sweet.
I'm just looking for something that's very light and airy and stereotypical French country.
Yeah, I don't like it. It looks kind of ratty to me, but that's just me. I like this piece for the grand salle à manger. This is exactly what I'm imagining.
No.
Okay. Could do a nice paint job on that.
You can build this.
Yeah. But I can't build it for that cheap. It's not that expensive.
This has no stories.
Okay. I like this for the outside under the, in the pergola, one of these. Or one of those.
Maybe.
They're really nice.
It is. And maybe a little too, has no stories. Again, no stories. I need something with a story. It's too new.
Jenny just tried on this new dress. I love it. It's beautiful. So we've been looking at couches and we keep coming back to this same couch, and we found this fabric. It's like a linen type fabric, but it's washable. It's the only one Jenny has approved. So I think we're gonna go with this couch. We're gonna get this section, the center section, and another one of these over here. And that fits perfectly in our living room, in our salon.
We just bought our sofa.
Sofa time. I think it's gonna be very nice. I'm very happy with our sofa.
It's gonna be super.
Well, we wrapped up another day here at the hacienda. Jenny got the fever and we cut off the ledges, the window sills.
I told them, put them on. Okay, no, now take them off.
Yeah.
And they're like, what?
Yeah, that was weeks and weeks of work, and now that's not work anymore.
Sometimes you don't know what something's gonna look like
Yes.
until it's done.
Yes, I think this is a female problem, but
Oh, the shelves are done here. I do love those.
I got one more that I've got to put in, but that one is.
You know what I was gonna say?
glued.
This is my favorite one down there because it's very natural and rustic. I love that. See, these look very polished.
Well,
Is there any way to make them more natural?
no, that's a natural board. So this had to be cut down because oak boards don't grow on trees. They have to actually cut them, and this is about as rough and rusty as you can get because Victor cut these with a chainsaw.
Yeah.
So they're very uneven, and you can see all the knots and
The
everything.
the unevenness is stellar. I love it. It's just they look very smooth.
Well, I mean, I could take the hatchet to it and chop away a few pieces if you want some corners chipped. But it's kind of not good for, I don't know, I want the room to be classy looking. I don't want it to look like an
It's
old...
excellent. Good job. This would cost a fortune if our wood guy did it.
And you got the one rough spot. That'll be nice.
Love it.
Well, I've been working on the pool all day, scrubbing it each time, and it's getting better. It's still cloudy, but it's definitely getting better. Hoping that it works out, and that in a day or two, we're swimming in this beauty. That's what everyone tells me, but we'll see. All right, everybody, well, that was a great day. Got a lot of work done, and until tomorrow, a biento.